Unlike most dealers, at Nucar, we only keep about 30% of the vehicles we take in trade. The rest fail to meet our high mechanical standards and are sent to the auction. Using Carfax vehicle history reports and a thorough quality inspection process, only the best make it out to our lots for sale. At Nucar, we've developed an innovative way to price used vehicles. We call it velocity pricing. We provide a market report, price comparison, and a Carfax history report on every Nucar certified pre-owned vehicle. We give you the price of the car up front, so there's no haggling. Everybody gets a low price on an above-average Nucar certified pre-owned vehicle, and you don't have to spend hours negotiating. Nucar certified vehicles come with a limited powertrain warranty, roadside assistance, car rental, towing benefits, a comprehensive assurance inspection, genuine vehicle parts, an optional Security Plus extended security plan, a Carfax history report, plus eligibility for new car financing rates on select vehicle models. Based on your credit, you may be approved through the Nucar Credit Rehabilitation Program. We're one of the largest providers of retail finance contracts and have joined forces with motor finance groups to provide good people with challenged credit a chance to get back on track.